This is the closed reading document. I'm going to go over each section very quickly so that you can see what is needed. The first part is the bibliographic entry, and what this means is, it's not going to let me write on it. What this means is it is just like what's on the works cited page. It should be the author, the article title in quotation marks, the web page name, which is italicized, the publisher, the date, and the URL web address as a hyperlink. I have that in the section to remind you of what that is. That's worth 5 points. The credentials or authority of the source, you will need to look up the author. What other publications has the author published? What degrees do they have? Who do they write for? What is their background or areas of expertise? You're going to have to look that up. That needs to be 4 or 5 sentences. The attribution statement. Must have this information. Author name, writer of the article, article title, said, quotation, then the author last name and paragraph number. You will need to find a quotation to use from the article. You can copy and paste it. I have an example. Tracy Cooper, I have an example right here. Tracy Cooper, writer of the article, MLA is hard said. After practicing MLA, it finishes with the citation. Your quotation should be in that format. The next one is the source's thesis statement. The thesis statement is what is believed by the author, the word because, and the 3 reasons why that author believes that. So what is believed by the author, the word because, and the 3 reasons why, all in one sentence. One flowing sentence. Don't put 2 or 3 in there. One sentence. Then that's worth 10 points. The next section is 1 paragraph summary, 10 sentences. Summarize the article in 10 sentences. This is not, I thought this was a good article, or I really enjoyed reading the article. It is none of that. It is just the information in the article in a shorter format. The next piece of information is the objective information. Objective information are figures, statistics, hard facts, dates, etc. Use 3 quotes. If you have quotes, put citations at the end of them. You'll have at least 3. The next piece of information is subjective. 3, opinions, decisions, anecdotes. What did the author believe about things? It's not hard facts. It's what you think the author believed. Use quotes or sentences and have citations at the end of them. The last one is application evaluation. You are going to evaluate this article as if you were going to write an essay about the topic. Is it a good article to use for an essay? How would you use the information in it? List the information you would use and how you would use it. Is it a good article? Is it not a good article? Tell why. But you need to, hold on, I've got a mistake there. Let me fix it. But you need to evaluate the article in 10 sentences. And yes, I do count the sentences. This is a writing assignment. This is very important. Do not use misspelled words, incomplete sentences, or punctuation errors. Write well, no errors. This is worth 68 points. You're gathering information from the article provided. It's not a hard assignment. It's easy points. But in order to get the points, you need to do exactly what it says in each section. Okay, hope this helps.